Every drop of fuel begins its journey here, at the refinery's crude oil receiving terminal. Crude oil arrives through pipelines, bringing the raw energy that powers the entire refining process. Before processing begins, crude oil is safely stored inside these massive tanks. Every barrel is carefully measured to ensure accurate inventory and production control. Samples are collected to verify the quality of the incoming crude oil. Laboratory tests reveal the exact properties of the crude before processing begins. Operators monitor every stage of crude oil receipt in real time. The tank farm acts as the refinery's energy reservoir. Precise measurements ensure stable refinery operations around the clock. Powerful pumps move crude oil from storage toward the processing units. The journey into the refinery process area officially begins. Initial filtration removes debris that could damage sensitive equipment. An intricate network of pipelines directs crude toward the treatment units. Routine inspections keep the process safe and efficient. Every connection plays a critical role in moving crude through the refinery. Control valves regulate the exact flow needed for stable operations. The crude now enters the first stage of heating. Recovered heat reduces energy consumption and improves efficiency. Energy recovery is one of the refinery's most important advantages. The crude becomes hotter and easier to process. Next comes a critical purification step called desalting. This unit removes harmful salts, water, and contaminants. Fresh water is injected to help extract dissolved salts. Intense mixing prepares the crude for effective separation. The mixture now enters the desalting vessel. Inside, advanced technology begins separating contaminants. Powerful electric fields force water droplets to combine and separate. Operators carefully monitor every stage of the separation process. Sensors constantly track the health of the operation. Salt-rich water is safely removed from the process. The crude emerges cleaner and ready for further heating. This purification step protects downstream equipment from corrosion. The refined journey continues deeper into the refinery. The next goal is reaching the temperature required for separation. Heat from finished products is recycled to warm incoming crude. Thousands of components work together to maximize efficiency. Energy recovery reduces operating costs and fuel use. Regular inspections ensure peak heat transfer performance. The crude is now approaching the temperatures needed for distillation. Next, the crude enters the furnace, where the real transformation begins. The desalted crude now enters the furnace for its most intense heating stage. The crude is heated to temperatures high enough for separation. Powerful burners generate the heat needed for distillation. Inside these tubes, crude oil absorbs enormous amounts of thermal energy. The temperature climbs to the precise level required for vaporization. Every degree is carefully controlled for maximum efficiency. Combustion air ensures stable and efficient burner performance.
This furnace is the gateway to the refinery's separation process.
Automation keeps the heating process stable and precise. Now superheated, the crude is ready for distillation. The heated crude moves toward the heart of the refinery. This towering column separates crude into valuable products. The separation process begins the moment the crude enters. Extreme heat causes much of the crude to instantly vaporize. Different components naturally separate based on boiling point. Each section of the tower captures a different product. These trays improve separation efficiency throughout the tower. Lighter molecules travel higher, as heavier ones condense below. Temperature control is critical for accurate separation. Operators continuously monitor the separation process. The lightest hydrocarbons reach the top of the column. These vapors are cooled and converted back into liquid. The condensed products collect in the reflux drum. Part of the liquid is recycled to improve separation. This internal circulation increases product purity. Lightest products become fuel gas and LPG. These gases are routed for storage and refinery fuel use. Higher in the tower, light naphtha is collected. This stream will undergo further stabilization. A slightly heavier naphtha fraction is recovered below. Next comes kerosene, one of the refinery's key products. The kerosene stream moves toward purification systems. Lower in the tower, valuable diesel is separated. This diesel will soon be upgraded for final use. Several valuable products are recovered at the same time. Each fraction occupies its own temperature zone.
The heaviest material settles at the bottom as residue. Even this heavy fraction still contains valuable products.
This is the refinery's main separation engine. Advanced controls keep every stream within specification. With separation complete, each product begins its own refining journey. The first product stream heads to the naphtha stabilization unit.
This unit removes unwanted light gases from the naphtha. The incoming naphtha contains dissolved gases that must be separated. Inside the column, lighter gases naturally rise upward.
The vapor stream is cooled and prepared for recovery.
Cooling transforms the vapors into valuable, recoverable products. The condensed liquids collect in the reflux drum. A portion is recycled to improve separation efficiency. The lightest gases become LPG for storage and use.
The purified naphtha is now ready for storage or further upgrading.
Every component works together to improve product quality.
Samples verify that the product meets quality standards.
Laboratory testing confirms the success of the stabilization process. Meanwhile, kerosene moves toward its purification stage.
This unit improves kerosene quality before storage. The treatment process begins as the kerosene enters the system. Filters capture impurities that could affect product performance.
Careful filtration ensures a cleaner final product.
Continuous monitoring maintains consistent product quality. The kerosene emerges cleaner and ready for use. Quality checks confirm the purification process is complete.
The goal is to produce cleaner, higher quality diesel.
Unwanted materials are removed from the product. Advanced filtration helps achieve product specifications. Operators ensure the process remains stable and efficient. The treated diesel is now ready for distribution. Every batch is verified before reaching customers. Real-time monitoring guarantees reliable fuel quality. Multiple product streams are refined simultaneously. Each refined product follows its own dedicated path. Transfer systems safely route products to their next destination. Every movement is carefully planned and monitored. Recovered gases become valuable refinery products. The LPG stream is prepared for secure storage. Thousands of meters of piping connect every stage of refining.
Routine inspections help maintain safe and efficient operations.
Before storage, products must be cooled to safe handling temperatures. Cooling prepares the naphtha for long-term storage.
The kerosene is cooled and stabilized for storage.
The diesel stream also reaches its final storage temperature. The refinery has now transformed crude fractions into market-ready products.
Next, the refined products begin their journey towards storage and distribution.
Automation directs each product safely toward its storage destination. The refining stage is complete, but the journey is not over. Ahead lies the final stage, where refined products are stored, protected, and prepared for delivery.
The refined products have reached the refinery's storage and distribution center.
Stabilized naphtha is the first product to enter storage. Powerful pumps ensure a steady and controlled transfer. The product is carefully routed into its designated tank. Specialized tanks help protect product quality during storage. Next, purified kerosene begins its journey into storage. Every transfer is measured and carefully controlled. Operators continuously track inventory and tank conditions.
Large storage capacity ensures a reliable supply chain. The refinery's diesel production now moves towards storage. Transfer systems keep product flowing efficiently. The finished diesel is now safely stored and ready for distribution.
Each product is stored separately to maintain quality.
Recovered LPG requires specialized high-pressure storage.
Pressure systems ensure safe handling of liquefied gases.
Constant monitoring keeps operations safe and reliable. Safety remains the highest priority throughout the refinery. Even the heaviest products require specialized storage conditions.
Heat keeps these thick hydrocarbons flowing smoothly.
Maintaining temperature preserves product quality.
This storage network holds the refinery's finished products. Accurate inventory management supports daily operations.
Real-time monitoring eliminates guesswork. The products are now prepared for delivery to customers.
Behind the scenes, safety systems protect the entire refinery. Excess hydrocarbons are safely managed through the flare system.
The flare safely disposes of gases during abnormal conditions.
Utilities provide the energy needed for refinery operations.
Steam powers many critical refinery processes. This heat network supports dozens of process units. Cooling systems remove excess heat from the refinery. Without cooling, efficient refining would be impossible. Powerful pumps keep cooling water circulating. Compressed air drives countless automated systems. Reliable air quality ensures accurate process control. Electricity keeps every system running around the clock. Backup power systems maintain uninterrupted production. Even refinery wastewater must be carefully managed. The first step is separating recoverable hydrocarbons from water. Gravity helps recover valuable oil from wastewater. Recovered hydrocarbons are returned to the process. The remaining water undergoes extensive treatment. Multiple treatment stages improve water quality.
Environmental protection is built into refinery operations. Every section of the refinery plays an essential role. What began as raw crude oil is now a range of valuable products. The products are finally prepared for delivery to customers. A modern refinery is a masterpiece of engineering and logistics. From crude oil to finished fuels, every step is carefully engineered to power the world. Even at night, refinery operations never stop. An endless network of pipelines keeps products moving safely. Round-the-clock inspections ensure reliable production. Automation keeps every stream under precise control. The refinery is controlled from a highly advanced command center. Thousands of data points guide every decision. Stored products are now ready for distribution. Diesel begins its final journey out of the refinery. Specialized equipment ensures safe and efficient loading. Each vehicle carries refined energy to communities and industries. Every product follows strict handling procedures. Accurate measurement guarantees accountability.
Some products leave through dedicated export pipelines.
These lines connect the refinery to regional markets.
LPG requires specialized handling from start to finish. Safety procedures are especially important for pressurized products.
Final laboratory approval confirms product quality.
Every shipment must meet rigorous standards.
Engineering teams continuously improve performance and efficiency. Every section is connected as part of a single system.